this video, we're going to see some of the SketchUp plugins which are mainly used to make complex organic shapes easily. And also as a fun little bonus, I'm going to show you how to model a coronavirus using these plugins. So stick around till the end. What's going on fellas, I'm Gio and this is Gio Creations. You can find me on Instagram as GioJervin. Let's jump right into the video. This is the list of plugins which I'm going to cover in this video. I've also included chapters for each of them. And if you want to know how to create complex shapes without using any plugins, check out this video by clicking on this I button or check the link in the description. First, let's see about the plugin called Artisan. This plugin will help you to subdivide and play with surfaces. Let's see what each tool does. This tool over here is Subdivide and Smooth, which basically increases the polygon count in the selected model and smoothens it. You can do it multiple times to increase the effect, but if you go too far, SketchUp will start lagging. Okay, the next option is Subdivide Selection. This one increases the polygon count of the surface without smoothing it. And the next one smoothens your surface without increasing the polygon count. This tool over here is called Crease tool, which helps you to exclude certain areas from being subdivided. This is Knife tool, which helps to make profile on complex surfaces. And the Extrude tool, which is nothing but basic push tool. This plugin can actually do far more stuff than you think. This is Sculpt Brush, by which you can sculpt out your desired shape. The up and down arrow keys can control the intensity and the direction of the brush. You can select faces while scrubbing through the model using this tool. And we got Paintbrush tool over here. This tool selects only the vertices, for it can be moved, rotated, scaled, and also can be flattened. While selecting, you'll see some different colored dot. Reds will have the highest sensitivity when it gets manipulated. Blues will have medium sensitivity and the greens will have low sensitivity. Not only you can increase the polygon count, but also can decrease it to make the model lighter. The next in our list is Fredo Scale. When it comes to modeling complex shapes, Fredo Scale is a no-brainer. This tool can change the axis of scaling just by clicking on a line pointing towards the axis. This tool over here can scale only a particular side, giving a tapered form. This tool will skew your model using box shearing method, and this tool will skew your model with rotation method. This is a life-saving tool called box stretching. This tool basically scales your model from the center by default. By tapping the F4 key, you can reveal the separation plane. You can move it and you can also use multiple sections at the same time. This one is Box Twister. And the Bend tool, which bends your model in your desired angle. Pretty cool, right? Next one is my favorite plugin, S4U Component. This plugin basically makes any set of similar objects into components. This tool over here draw lines into components. Here you need to select a face and you can keep on drawing its extruded versions, and surprisingly all are the same component. This one turns your lines into component. And these two options are for faces, and this one will make your selected groups to a component. Now it's time for the bonus. I'm gonna show you how to model a coronavirus using these aforesaid plugins. share this video with someone who is interested in these kind of stuffs, and make sure to subscribe so that you can be a part of this community. And you can always clear your doubts and suggest topics in the comment section. And signing out for now. Catch you guys in the next video. See ya.